This is problem number 9 for section 1.6. The half-life of a certain radioactive substance is 48 hours. There are 17 grams present initially. Express the amount of substance remaining as a function of time t. So, function of time t, and I actually think in this problem they want it like the function in days. Although they give you hours, I think they want it in days. First of all, the half-life formula. So half-life formula is y equals ab to the t over k, and k is the half-life time. Now, B is going to be 0.5 anytime we use the half-life formula. So A then is going to be the initial amount, and obviously T is going to be the decay time. So let's go ahead and fill in for part A our function, values. So we're going to have 17 grams present initially. So we're going to say y equals 17. We're going to use B as 0.5. And then we have T over, now it says T over K, which is a half-life time, but K is 48 hours, but they want this in days. Well, how many days is 48 hours? It's 2 days, so we're going to write T over 2. So this is our equation we're going to use for this problem. And we're going to use that equation for part B. Part B, it says, when will there be 9 grams remaining? Well, let's go ahead and throw 9 in for y. So 9 equals 17.5 t over 2. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 17, so we get 9 over 17 equals 0.5 to the t over 2. Now I got to take in order to get this exponential to the front, or the exponent to the front, I need to take I'm going to take a logarithm of each side. I'm going to use natural log. So natural log 9 over 17 equals natural log of 0.5 to the t over 2. I'm going to rewrite this over here, and we end up with a natural log of 9 over 17 equals t over 2 when I bring that exponent to the front times natural log of 0.5. Now I need to multiply each side by 2 to get rid of this denominator. So I'm going to take the whole thing times 2, and that'll give you 2 natural log 9 over 17 equals t natural log 0.5. Now let's divide each side by natural log of 0.5. And we end up with 2 natural log 9 over 17 over natural log of 0.5 equals t. And when we throw all that in the calculator, we're going to end up with a certain number of days. So we throw that in. I'm going to pull up my calculator here for a second. So natural log, we're going to do 9 divided by 17. Take the natural log of that. We're going to take it times 2. And then we're going to divide it by 0.5 natural log, and we get 1.83. And that's 1.83 days. Because again, our equation was written in days. So we're going to take 1.83, and because they wanted when will there be 9 grams remaining? I believe they want this in hours. So if they want it in hours, we got to take this 1.83 days and multiply it times 24, so the time equals 1.83 times 24 hours, which is 44 hours. And that's the solution.